Hey everybody, J&A Review. Woo, and the sun came out today. And we are at Triple H RV here in Haleyville, Alabama. Now if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Today we are excited. We've never seen anything like this. This is our first one to actually see this kind of floor plan, but it's a 2024 Coachmen Catalina, model number 333FKTS. So let's get started. The length on this Catalina Legacy Edition, that's what I'm talking about, is 37 feet 9 inches. The dry weight is 8,997 pounds, and that hitch weight is 1,166. That's right, Fatty. Man, you can pull that with our little Ford Ranger.
All joking aside, I would suggest a little bit larger vehicle just because this one's really long and it's a triple slide. But let's start over here. You're going to have an outside shower here. Your water connections are going to be right here. Now coming on down, you're not going to have just a ton of outside storage on this one, simply because of the way the floor plan is. But some of your dump areas are there.
Triple slide.
Triple slide. Dump area here. Now this is going to be one of your storage. Now this one is pretty good size. This is going to be actually under a bed. So it is a little bit large back here. Now let's show you the back real quick. This is going to have a rack. And now this one, I hope the sun doesn't mess this up, but it is prepped for a Lippert ladder and also a backup camera. Your spare is going to be under the bottom. Now here on your campsite, the awning is going to be 21 feet. So it does have a power awning, and if I'm not mistaken, I think you can change the colors on your LED lights. Now you're going to have 2 entries here. But we're going to go on up to the front and show you just a little bit more outside storage. This is a front kitchen model. So, you know, unfortunately that does mean not just a ton of storage on these.
You do have the auto leveling system, like.
Yes, I think we have shown this before, but we'll show you again real quick.
Auto leveling system.
Yes.
That is pretty sharp.
You are also going to have a little mini kitchen here on the outside. So you've got a little fridge and a Suburban griddle that will pull out. Your quick connect is going to be right under there.
Cool.
So let's just go right on inside and take a look at this one.
And what do you think? When I said it's pretty different, we've never seen anything like this.
It is a little different, and it's a very good size travel trailer. So I'll give you a quick look up here, and let's just tease this for just a second. That's a very long haul, so we'll get to that one. Coming right on in. As we stated, this is a front kitchen, so we'll start just right up here at the very front. Nice big window for your windshield here. You've got storage up above, and I believe this is going to be, yes, this is going to be open all the way across. There's your sink drainer. Lots and lots of counter space up here. Plug in right there in the corner. You do have an open cubby area up here for some storage. Microwave, 3-burner cooktop with an oven. This is not solid surface, but it is a really good size counter. Single basin sink with a high-rise faucet. Storage underneath your sink. You do have a cutlery drawer here. Yes, that's nice. That keeps some of that glare out.
Lock some of that out.
We have a drawer full of goodies, so I'm not sure what all's in there.
Oh my goodness, all the paperwork.
All kinds of stuff.
Ooh, there's good stuff in there.
Yeah, towel rings and everything.
Ooh. Did you show them that one?
I did not show them that one.
Okay.
And then there's that. And a nice big drawer down there at the bottom. And you will see that your heating is going to be in the floor in here. Finishing out your kitchen area is your 12-volt compressor fridge.
Okay. This is what I say it's really nice.
This is nice. Yes.
Have a desk area.
So they give you a desk area, or if you want to, you could just pull you up a chair there and have your coffee in the morning and look out over your campsite.
Karen can do all her needlepoint right here.
Right. Storage up above. And then there's two, you actually do have shelves underneath. Again, if you don't need this as a desk, you could actually slide some totes under there for all kinds of storage. Over here in the first of your 3 slides, big slide, big windows. Your dinette here is going to have storage on both sides, and it will make into an additional sleeping if you need that. Super nice theater seating here with a drawer, with storage, wireless charging. We have seen this in a previous Catalina and made the comment that we really want one of these in our travel trailer. Yeah. Because this is really nice. Cup holders built in. More storage here on both sides. Excellent, excellent. Now, when you sit in these wonderful theater seats, your TV is going to mount right up here. You see all your connections are in place. You do actually have some storage below it. JBL radio there. Electric fireplace. And you got a little bit of storage right below that. So, I don't know what kind that is. A TS.
TS. It says touch
screen. No, I don't know.
Touch stone.
Oh, touch stone.
Yeah.
I'm not familiar with that one. Hey, if anybody has one of those, tell us about it, because we're not familiar with those. All right. Well, we can't get too comfortable. You do have an AC unit right up here, and I feel like we missed something coming in the door.
We did.
We missed the pantry.
That's not all.
Right. Great big. I mean, you have 2 big storages. And look, it is prepped for a washer and dryer. So.
Well, combo.
A combo. Yes. A combo unit. But.
Unless you want to remodify all this and take your outside kitchen out.
You probably could take that out and have a stackable, but I like the outside kitchen.
I mean, okay.
All right, now we're going to go down this really long hall. Controls here. Door number 1 and slide number 2.
Wow.
Okay, I'm not sure if this is what you guys were expecting, but I can tell you this is not what we were expecting when we opened the door. So you've got 2 double over double. I mean, yeah, you've got double over double slides. Bunks.
Oh!
So they both have windows. You've got lights on both sides.
USB.
Yeah. Very nice. And that is an emergency window right there. So easy way to get out. On both sides here, look, you've got some more of these fabric cubes for storage. Up here, you've got shelves with the bungee netting. Both sides. You have connections here for a TV. And there's another plug-in down here. And this is the floor space that you have with a vent.
It's really nice.
And this is really well done bunk room. It's not like they're crammed up in a corner somewhere.
Throw a couple of bean bags in here and have something to sit on for the kids.
You could.
I'm telling you, this is awesome.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Well, that's door number 1. So let's check out door number 2 going down the hall. And this is going to be your bathroom. Now, there is only 1 in this one, so you might want to take that in consideration. Now, Jeremy's 6 feet tall. Skylight is in a little bit of a weird position, but you can make it work. So, not a very big step up getting into this one. You do have some linen storage over here. And they already give you a hook for some towels foot flush toilet at an angle. And you've got a mirrored medicine cabinet. Nice big sink. And there is just a little extra storage right below that.
Heating vents are in the floor.
Yes, it does have a heating vent in the floor. So you won't freeze in the shower.
Oh my.
Now,
ready for this?
Going into the main bedroom, it's just going to have a sliding door. Here is your second outside entrance. So if you need that private entrance, this is a queen size bed.
Yeah.
I had to stop and look at it for a second, but it is queen. But you have all the storage underneath. But this is what was what you could see from the outside. You've got a plug-in right down here. Some shelves, a place to put your glasses.
You know, it's not bad walk around either.
USB, and there is a USB on both sides. Storage right up above it. Another emergency exit window there. A window right here at the back. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but we're right next to a train. And at the foot of the bed is your wardrobe. So it's got both doors mirrored.
Yes.
That slide? Yes. So you have, sliding door hanging all the way across. 3 very decent sized drawers there. And some storage right next to it. Now, if you want to add a TV, it'll go right up here. And this does have a second AC in here. Wow. So yeah, and this is some pretty decent floor space right here at the end. So you have plenty of room to stand and get dressed. Oh, another plug-in. I missed that one. And heating in the floor. We'll go right back down the very long hall with 3 windows here. All 3 of these will open.
All right, everybody. If you like this, like I said, very different floor plan that we have ever seen. And if you like the desk, the bunk rooms, hey, if you like this whole travel trailer, the dealership's information will be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us a thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.